Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can make up to $250 a week transcribing. I'm going to show you a website where you can get started. I'm also going to show you a website where you can get certified so that you should earn more than just a beginner. So if this is something that you would like to know, please continue watching this video. Before I get into the video of today, my name is Winnie Shum, and as you can see on my screen, I make videos about different ways to make money online, and I plan on making videos about different business ideas, web design, and much more. So please subscribe to my channel so that you can encourage me to make more videos. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Now in today's video, I want to talk about transcription. What is transcription? Transcription is basically turning audio into text. There are companies that are ready to pay you to transcribe audios into text. So if this is something that you're interested in, I want to show you this company that's recruiting transcribers from all over the world. So no matter where you are, you can become a transcriber. If you say that you would like to become a transcriber and you don't have any foreknowledge, do not worry. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get certified for free. There is this website where you can take the transcription course, get certified. Therefore, you'll be able to earn more with this transcription website I'm going to show you. So the website of today is called Scribie. Scribie is a freelance transcription website. With Scribie, you can work at your convenience and earn up to $5 to $20 per audio hour. If you put this amount together, by the end of the week, you will be able to earn at least $250 a week. So this is a great opportunity for you if you're looking to make money online. They say we provide automated transcripts to save you around 60% of the typing effort. So they are going to help you through the process as well. So I just want to take you through the website and show you how it works. So what is transcription? Transcription is simply, number one, you listen, you correct, you get paid. Requires skills are listening ability and good comprehension English. So you need to be able to have the ability to listen and be able to have good English comprehension. That means you understand English, how it works, the grammar, because you'll be doing correction. So this is how it works. So how much can you earn in a month? So now they say you can earn up to $800 a month. As a beginner, you'll be able to earn up to $400 a month. That's why you can only earn $250 a week if you are an intermediate or advanced. And in order for you to earn this, you need to get a certificate. And that's why I'm telling you that by the end of this course, I'm going to show you how you can get certified for free. So do not worry. So you can earn $400 a month, $800 a month, $1,600 a month. So this is a great opportunity for you. So what do you need? You need a good English comprehension. You need the ability to interpret conversations. You need the ability to apply text and identify mistakes. You need the ability, you need a verified PayPal account. You need a laptop, desktop, computer, and internet connection. So the 6 reasons to sign up with Scribie is that you're going to work from home. And the second thing is that you're going to earn from $5 to $20 per audio hour, and automated transcript. It means their AI will help you get the most out of the work, which means that they have already made it possible for you to do the work quicker. Then you're going to work on your convenience, no obligations, no monthly commitments, no withdrawal or withdrawal limits. That means you will not be limited on how much you can withdraw when you start earning money. And they have short files, and they have a monthly bonus of $5, which means that as long as you are working with Scribie, every month they are going to give you an extra $5 if you are able to do 3 hours, if you are able to finish up to 3 hours of work per month. So they'll give you an extra $5. That is good. So what I want us to do is to look at the guidelines. These are the guidelines. They have outlined here everything that you need. So the first is an overview of everything that you need, which you've already named. You need a laptop, you need a headphone, you need a verified PayPal account. They pay only through PayPal. So if you don't have a PayPal, I've made videos about how to have PayPal, especially if you live in one of the restricted countries. I'm going to put the link of that video in the description box below. You can go ahead and watch it so that you can know how to have a verified PayPal account. Then you need good comprehension of English. You need the ability to interpret conversation and the ability to apply context and identify mistakes. So these are everything that you need. So this is the process. The first step is to apply as a transcriber. through their sign up page. The second step is you have an email confirmation. To confirm your email address, we'll send an email to the sign up email with a link. You're going to confirm it. The third step is you are going to set up a PayPal account. Before you take the test, you have to specify a verified PayPal account, which is a necessary requirement. So you have to take a test in order for you to start off with Scribie. So it's not something that you will just start. When you want to get a job, you need to take an interview. So this test is their own interview. So to take the test, choose one of the files listed, transcribing, and submit the transcript. Please note that your submission will be rejected if any guideline violations are found. So you need to make sure that you follow the guidelines. Certified. Your submission will be graded when the file is delivered to the customer. Depending upon the grade, you either be certified as a transcriber and paid for the file test, or rejected. So this is how it goes. So they are going to test you by giving you the first audio to transcribe. If you transcribe it well, you're going to be certified as a transcriber with Scribie. But if you don't, you're going to be rejected. So you need to prepare for it. Please do not take the test without preparing. You need to prepare for it. If you've never done transcription, you need to research what transcription is all about and see how you can pass the test so that you can get certified. Post certification, you can log into your Scribie account with your email address and password and select any available file. So these are the guidelines. So you can read all of this. You have facts. They have facts here. They have questions. If you have questions, you can read. Everything is here for you to get started. So transcription will be one of the ways where you can make money online. It's very important to know that Scribie takes people from all over the world. So wherever you are in the world, as long as you're good, you take their test and pass, and you have a verified PayPal account, you will be considered a transcriber. Now, this is the website where you can take a free course on transcription. If you want to start on transcription, I don't know how to start, this is the website. They have a free course that you can take. Very interesting course. You will take this course and know what transcription is all about. If you need more help on how to practice before you take the test on Scribie, let me know in the comment section, and I'm going to put more links for you to follow. But you just need to come to this website and then you sign up. You sign up and then you take their course on transcription. They have a course on transcription that is completely free. It's going to take you through the step-by-step process on what transcription is, how to transcribe, and if transcription is the best thing for you, then how to do it very well. So they have this course that is going to give you the nitty-gritties of transcription, and this course is going to help you to pass the test on Scribie. So you get certified. So after you take this course, you have a certificate to show that you've taken a transcription course, and it's completely free. So I'm going to put the link to this website below so you can get started. So guys, that was what I had for you today. If you have any question, please do not forget to put it in the comment section. And please, if you like this video or if you're finding value in this video, please why not give it a thumbs up so that you can encourage YouTube to put my videos out there for more people to have access to. So thank you for watching guys, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. See you next week when I make another video.